Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by, and if it's your first time here, you're super welcome. Do well to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on post notification and select all so you get notified every time I upload a video on here. I'm Chinonso Okoronkwo, a Lagos Nigerian based hairstylist, makeup artist and fashion enthusiast, and on this channel I film about all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So today's video is going to be a detailed how to fix eyelashes. I've got quite a number of requests on how I do my lashes, and that is what this video is dedicated to. Okay, PS, you guys disregard how my face is looking right now. I'm in the midst of doing my makeup, okay, which is going to be in another video. I'll link the video in the cards right here if it's on my channel already, but if it's not, you guys just stay tuned to the channel. It will soon be uploaded. It's a video where I'm doing this Christmas inspired makeup look. So for this tutorial, the lashes I'm going to be using today is this one from Wink Lashes. I really like these lashes, like it's calling my name. It's screaming Nora Chinonso Okoronkwo. Okay, this is how the lashes looks. It's such a beautiful pair of lashes, and for my glue I'll be using the Lanel bonding glue. Don't come for me, okay? I like this glue because it does the work, it gets the job done, and it is long lasting. Okay, if I'm not using this one, then I'm using the classic eyelash glue. I'm out of that one at the moment, that's why I'm using this one. It's not because of that, but this gets the job done as well. So first things first, to fix your lashes, you're going to go ahead and pull it out of the tray, of course, right? And you're just going to bend it a bit like this, just so it takes shape and it is ready for you to apply it on your lashes. I'll do that for the both lashes, and I'll be ready to pop it on. I'll do the same thing for the other lashes. You see how straight it looks? It's straight, right? This will give you a bit of an issue with fixing it, especially if you're a beginner. So that's why I advise that you just go ahead and, you know, put it together like this and just tug on it for a few seconds, just so that it takes the shape of your eye, right? I need to stop saying right, but yeah, that's just what I'm going to do. Now you can see what difference that makes. It's not as straight as it was, right? It looks curved. So what I'm going to do, or like what you should do, is to get a tweezer. You can use this one or the other tiny one. You can't find it, okay, or this one. Anyone works, depending on the one you are more comfortable with. And you're going to get your lashes, and you're going to get your tweezer and put it right in the middle of your lashes. Okay, before you apply glue, you want to size these lashes, especially if it's the first time you're using it. Some lashes are longer than the other. They did it that way because some people's eyes is wider than others, so you have to take it and measure it with your own lashes to see if it is the perfect size, or if it's bigger than your own lash, then you have to cut it, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and measure this one on my eyes. It's not going to glue down because there's no glue on it, but it's something you can just stick on there. Just hold it with your hand and see if it is longer than your own lash or not. Mine looks like it's perfect. I'm just going to try it. So mine is perfect, right? I've checked it, it is perfect, and I'm just going to start gluing. However, if yours is not, I would advise that you cut it in the middle. It's not middle. I would advise that you cut it at the end. So if you have tried yours and you can see that there are excesses at the back of your eyes, you have to cut it, because that does not look flattering. If you go ahead and fix your lashes and then towards the end it's extending towards this end of your eyes, it's not going to look flattering. Your eyes is going to look sleepy, like it's going to look falling. It's not going to look sharp like the eyes should look, right? So if you measure and you see that the lashes is longer than your eyes, please go ahead and grab a scissors or a razor blade. You don't want to cut the beginning of your lashes, okay? If you have to reduce the length, please go to the back of the lash and cut at every time. Say for example, you've gone ahead and measure and the lash is longer than your eye. I would not advise that you just go ahead and just cut them bit by bit. I don't know if you guys can see, but cut bit by bit from the ends. You cut, you measure to see if it's okay. If it's still long, you go ahead and cut another bit. It's not clear on camera, but yeah, you go ahead and cut another bit, right? And then you keep cutting and reducing it until you get the perfect size for your eyes. Next, you're going to grab the glue you are going to use. You can use this one, you can use the classic glitter glue, whatever glue you find or you are comfortable with using or you find. And you're going to take the back of your tweezer or anything really. You can use toothpick, whatever tiny or flat surface item that you can find. I'll be using the back of my tweezer, which most people use, right? You can use this one like I said before, or you can use this tinier one. But for beginners, I feel like any of them can work. If you have access to buy the both of them, please go ahead and buy. Then try to use the both and see which one you are more comfortable with before you stick to it. I'm comfortable with the both of them, but I'm just going to use this one for the purpose of this tutorial. So I have my glue at the back of my hand and I'm just going to have that only on the band of the lash. Some people will put this glue all over the band of the lash and also inside this the hair part of the lashes. You don't want to do that. You just want to have your glue to be just on the edge, right? Just on the edge, like where this band would meet your own lashes is where you should apply it. You don't want to do too much, okay? Just a thin layer go a long way. Just going to apply that like so, very thin layer, okay? Another reason why I like to use the Lanel glue is because it dries really fast. If you are using the classic one or duo, there are a lot of brands out there, you would have to wait for like 5 minutes or less or more depending on the brand before you can glue your lash on. But with this brand of glue, you don't have to wait a long time, right? Max a minute. You have to stick it on, else it's going to even dry up on you. So something I like to do is to coat my lashes with mascara while I'm waiting for this to get tacky a little. I'm going to coat my lashes with mascara. I like to do this when I have makeup on because in the process of applying my eyeshadow and my powder, some makeup product would have gotten onto my lashes and given it a brown look instead of a black look. I like to do, oosh, I like what I see. My makeup looks good. So I'm just going to go ahead to coat my lashes with this mascara first and then I'll proceed to apply my lashes. To apply your lash, what you want to do is to go in with your tweezer and find the middle of your lashes. This is one way to do this. Apply your tweezer to the middle of your lash. Once you do that, you want to keep your mirror below you, then you look into the mirror. You want to get your lashes, holding it in the middle. You're going to place it in the middle of your eyes first, stick down the middle first, and then you go into fix the ends of the eyes of the lashes as well as the beginning of the lashes, right? We're going to put this right in the middle of our eyes first, stick down the middle part, then you stick down the back, and then you stick down the front. It's that simple. Now you want to place this lash band as close to your eyelash as possible, as close to the skin of your eyelash as possible. Now I'm going to go and just stick down the back. You guys can see. like so. And then I really don't have to do a lot with the front because it's already in place, but I'm just going to pick it with my tweezer and just push it against the skin of my eyes, just so it sticks. I just tug it a little a little just so everything stays in place. Resist every temptation to place your lashes above the skin, because when you're looking at people, they can see the skin underneath your lashes. That is not nice. Place it just close to the lashes, as close to the skin as possible, not on top of it, right? Not on top of it, but close to it. I hope what I'm explaining makes sense, you people. Please, oh, I'm just going to tug on it a little. What you can do is to press it down with your hand, or you can use this tweezer as well to just press down your real lashes with your with the false eyelashes, just so that everything blends together. There you go. One eye down. I'm going to do the other eye for you guys to see as well. So one more time, you take your glue and apply it to the band of your eyelashes. Like so. Don't forget a thin layer. You don't need so much glue. By the time the glue dries, it is really secure. And also so that when you want to take it out, it's easy for you to take out, right? I don't know about some people, but I don't like to have my lashes on for a long time. If I put my lashes on and go out, as I'm coming back, I'm taking off my lashes. I'm taking off my lashes. Except I do, like, you know, those semi-permanent lashes, all of those lashes, right? Unless that, but if I'm doing this kind of lashes, as I'm coming back, I am taking it out. If you feel like your lashes is in your face or is getting into your eyes, you can just lift it up a little before it dries down, and that should give you some form of relief. Public service announcement: if you are right-handed, doing your left eyelashes is going to be a bit of challenge. For me it is, and for a lot of people it is, right? But just be patient, keep at it, it will work. Okay, so yeah, place this in the middle. And then the back. I find that doing the back with my hand is more comfortable than using a tweezer. Try it, start doing it, and find out which is more comfortable for you. I'm going to stick down the front. And that's it, you guys. That's it though. Just go ahead and, you know, press it in place, tug on it just so it stays as close to the skin as possible, and you are good, you guys. So the first time I tried this out, of course it's not going to be easy, right? Even with all my years of fixing lashes, I still struggle to do my lashes sometimes, right? But with continuous practice and always doing it, you become used to it, right? You become used to it. So with this glue, you might have issues where your eyes will get stained from the glue and it will give out this black color. Just wait for it to dry, and you can go in with your tweezer and just peel it off, and it will come off without any stress. Okay, so I'm just going to press my false lashes and my real lashes together just so it blends. Remember, if you feel uncomfortable at this point you can just go ahead and lift it up, right? Just lift it up and you should feel a lot more better. That's it, you guys. Very simple, very easy. This is one of the easiest things for me to do in makeup application. Some people say that fixing lashes is a lot of work for them. For me, it's not a lot of work. What is a lot of work for me is brows. I don't like doing brows. I honestly don't like doing brows. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and do the needful. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And until then, stay fab and stay blessed. Bye bye. Oh, before I go, please check out this video. It's a tutorial that you find really helpful. Go ahead and check it out. I'm sure you like it, and if you do, please go ahead and do the needful on that video as well. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and until I see you in tomorrow's video, stay fab and stay blessed. Catch ya.